Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're reviewing a unique oral care product that combines the power of a sonic electric toothbrush with the effectiveness of a water flosser. The Waterpik Sonic-Fusion 2.0 Professional Flossing Electric Toothbrush with Water Flosser Combo. This innovative device promises to revolutionize your dental routine, but does it really live up to its claims? Let's dive in. The Waterpik Sonic-Fusion 2.0 is designed to streamline your oral care by combining brushing and flossing into one device. It features 3 cleaning modes: brush, floss, or both, allowing you to customize your routine. With its advanced sonic technology, it promises to be up to twice as effective as traditional brushing and flossing for reducing plaque and improving gum health. It's dentist recommended and the first water flosser brand to earn the American Dental Association, ADA, seal of acceptance for its safety and effectiveness. The unit also includes a rechargeable handle with a 2-minute timer, 30-second pacer, 2 toothbrush speeds, and a water flosser with 10 pressure settings. The removable 16-ounce reservoir makes filling and cleaning easy, and it comes with 2 toothbrush heads, a travel case, and a magnetic storage post for the heads. In my testing, I found that the Waterpik Sonic-Fusion 2.0 is easy to set up and use. The brush is lightweight, and the water flosser is powerful, offering 10 different pressure settings. I love the option to switch between brushing, flossing, or both with just a button press, making it easy to switch up my routine depending on my needs. The 2-minute brushing timer and 30-second pacer are helpful for ensuring a complete clean. However, the water reservoir is a bit on the smaller side, so if you're someone who needs a lot of flossing time, you might need to refill it mid-use. The toothbrush itself works well, delivering an efficient clean with its 2-speed options. Now let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: combines brushing and flossing in one device, saving time. Multiple cleaning modes allow for a customized experience. Clinically proven to reduce plaque and improve gum health. ADA approved, giving added confidence in its effectiveness. Comes with essential accessories, including a travel case and magnetic head storage. Cons: the water reservoir is smaller than expected, requiring refills for longer flossing sessions. The device can be bulky compared to traditional toothbrushes. The price point is higher than basic toothbrushes or flossers, which may not be ideal for everyone. As for the value for money, this product is on the higher end of the price spectrum for electric toothbrushes. However, considering it combines both brushing and flossing functions, it could be a great value if you're looking to streamline your oral care routine. You're paying for the convenience of 2 devices in one, plus the ADA's endorsement. When comparing the Sonic-Fusion 2.0 to similar products, like standalone electric toothbrushes or water flossers, it holds a strong position, especially with its versatility. Products like the Philips Sonicare and Waterpik's standalone flossers are solid choices on their own, but the Sonic-Fusion 2.0 offers a unique all-in-one feature set. If you're someone who is serious about your oral hygiene, this combination could be a game changer, although it's not the most budget-friendly option. The build quality is solid, the handle feels durable, and the reservoir is easy to remove and clean. The toothbrush heads are easy to replace, and I appreciate the inclusion of a travel case. It's clear that Waterpik is focused on long-lasting performance with this model, backed by a 3-year warranty. In terms of reliability, it's a well-built product that should serve you well for years if maintained properly. Waterpik's customer support team is available if you need help, and I've found their Colorado-based team to be responsive and helpful based on past experiences. Though I haven't needed to reach out for this particular model, their solid reputation for customer service is reassuring. If you're looking for alternatives, while there aren't many products that combine brushing and flossing in one, standalone water flossers or electric toothbrushes like the Oral-B Genius or the Waterpik Aquarius water flosser could serve as great options, depending on whether you prioritize one function over the other. To wrap things up, the Waterpik Sonic-Fusion 2.0 offers a compelling solution for those who want to upgrade their oral care routine with both brushing and flossing in one device. While it's more expensive than basic models, its performance, ADA approval, and time-saving features make it a great option for those who want to simplify their routine without sacrificing effectiveness. The compact design and smaller reservoir might not suit everyone, but for most, this could be a worthy investment. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other oral care enthusiasts can find this video too. If you've tried the Sonic-Fusion 2.0, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay beautiful and keep your smile shining with Beautyistic.